Welcome to the DeliTen Restaurant Management app, your ultimate solution for efficient restaurant management. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get started with our app. After logging in, if you're linked to multiple restaurants, you'll be directed to the restaurant selection screen. Here, choose the restaurant you want to manage. Let's dive into the key interfaces of the DeliTen app. First, the home interface. This screen provides an overview of your restaurant status, including order statuses, menu items, availability, items on sale, and restaurant review status. From here, you can also update crucial restaurant details like location and phone number. Within the home screen, you can access the review management section. Reviews are categorized into normal and bad reviews. You can engage with customers who left reviews via internal chat or SMS. The home screen also allows you to share your menu with customers or other contacts via SMS. You can even include your business details like phone number and website in the SMS. Moving on to the menu interface. Here you'll find your restaurant's menu. The main screen displays item statuses, availability, category performance, and item performance. Gain insights into your menu's performance. Clicking on categories will take you to a detailed category view. You can see the number of items in each category, add new items, create new categories, and add sale items. Each item's availability can be updated here. Feel free to edit or delete items or categories. However, keep in mind that a category can only be deleted once all items within it have been removed. Now let's explore order management. The main screen provides an overview of order statuses. Clicking Order Status takes you to the Order Management screen. In the Order Management screen, you'll find detailed order information. Each item is displayed as a separate card with various statuses: new order, ongoing order, order completed, order cancelled, and order pending. Clicking on an item's card reveals the preparation status, including a timer indicating time since the last status change and time since the order was placed. You can also create new orders for customers. However, new orders are only made after verifying the customer by SMS to include the customer in your restaurant's customer database. Lastly, the chat interface. Here you can communicate directly with your customers. There are 3 chat types: customer interaction, order assistance, and feedback exchange. You can choose whether to activate or deactivate each chat type based on your preferences. That wraps up our DeliTen Restaurant Management app guide. But before you go, here's an important note. If you don't have a restaurant management account yet, don't worry. Contact the relevant sales agent today and start enjoying our services. We offer 4 different service packages, and you can choose the one that suits you best. DeliTen is here to help you streamline your restaurant operations and provide exceptional service to your customers. Thank you for considering DeliTen.